Gall. I'm a catcher. I go to Hood College. I'm from Oakland, Maryland.
Kyle Conger, shortstop, Belmont University, and I'm from Brentwood, Tennessee.
I'm Nick Adgar. I'm an outfielder. I go to College of San Mateo, and I'm from Alameda, California.
My name is Matt Hornich. I'm a left-handed pitcher. I go to University of Delaware, and I'm from Hillsborough, New Jersey.
Cleveland Indians.
Atlanta Braves.
The Oakland A's.
New York Yankees.
Michael Brantley.
I'm Drellin Simmons.
Josh Donaldson.
Who's no longer in Oakland A?
Nope.
Clayton Kershaw.
Reese's Puffs, I guess.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Captain Crunch Berries.
Cereal, Captain Crunch.
Saving Private Ryan.
Shawshank Redemption.
Okay, and is hope a good thing?
Is what?
Is hope a good thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Fast and Furious series.
I remember the Titans.
Probably Ballin' by Logic.
White Iverson.
9 by Drake.
Song Best Friend by Young Thug.
Probably being a D3 All-American and Conference Rookie of the Year.
Winning the Perfect Game Tournament my senior year of high school.
My years at Bishop O'Dowd.
Being a county tournament MVP my senior year of high school.
Cinderella.
Jasmine.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Really? Cinderella?
Cinderella.
Okay.
Robert Lucida.
Zach Rakusa.
Coach Marcus.
TBolts. Cole Benjamin.
Probably be working on my car, just working on my job.
Be looking for a job to try to make some money.
I can't imagine life without baseball. I don't know.
Probably working, bored, but I'm playing baseball, so I'm happy.
Tiger.
Penguin.
A shark.
I'll be a lion.
I'm not reading any books.
Looking for one still.
I'm in between books right now.
I'm in between books right now.